We take the fourth example, root 5 plus root 2 upon root 5 minus root 2. Now we can't focus only on the denominator because we are rationalizing the denominator. Now root 5 minus root 2 is irrational. Okay, now irrational, we have to convert this irrational denominator into rational. So root 5 plus root 2 upon root 5 minus root 2, we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of root 5 minus root 2. The conjugate is root 5 plus root 2 upon root 5 plus root 2. The next step, that is equal to root 5 plus root 2, root 5 plus root 2 can be written as root 5 plus root 2 the whole square upon root 5 minus root 2, root 5 plus root 2 is nothing but a minus b, a plus b. So you can write root 5 the whole square minus root 2 the whole square equals, here you can use the identity a plus b the whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is root 5, b is root 2. So we write a square. So root 5 the whole square plus 2 into 2 into a is again root 5 into b is root 2 plus b square. So root 2 the whole square upon root 5 the whole square minus root 2 the whole square. That is equal to, now root 5 the whole square is root 5 into root 5. That is equal to root 25. That is equal to 5. So 5 plus 2 into root 5 into root 2. 2 as it is. Root 5 into root 2 is root 10 plus root 2 the whole square is root 2 into root 2, that is root 4 equals 2. So 2. The whole upon the same thing, root 5 the whole square is 5 minus root 2 the whole square is 2. That is equal to 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2. Now 5 and 2 can be added together. So 5 plus 2 is 7 plus this cannot be added because this is not, 5 and 2 are like term, this is not. So 7 plus 2 root 10 upon 5 minus 2 is 3. This is your final answer. 3 is a rational number. So an irrational denominator is converted into a rational denominator. The fifth example that we take is 3 minus root 5 upon 3 plus root 5. Now 3 plus root 5 is irrational. So we have irrational denominator. We convert it into a rational denominator. 3 minus root 5 upon 3 plus root 5 into, we take the same binomial but with opposite sign. In the denominator we have 3 plus root 5. So when we multiply the numerator and the denominator we take the opposite sign. So conjugate of 3 plus root 5 is 3 minus root 5. That is equal to, now this is 3 minus root 5 and this is also 3 minus root 5. So we can write 3 minus root 5 the whole square upon, this is a plus b, a minus b. So we can write 3 square minus root 5 the whole square, a square minus b square. In the numerator, we use the identity a minus b the whole square. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now a square is 3 square minus 2ab. So 2 into a is 3, b is root 5 plus root 5 the whole square. B is root 5. Root 5 the whole square upon 3 square minus root 5 the whole square. We all know 3 square is 9 minus 2 into 3 is 6 into root 5 is 6 root 5 plus, now we have already done root 5 the whole square. Root 5 into root 5, root 25, that is equal to 5 upon 3 square is again 9 minus root 5 the whole square is 5. 9 like terms, 9 and 5 both can be added together. 9 and 5 both can be added together. 9 plus 5 is 14. You cannot add 6 root 5, so we write it as 6 root 5. The whole upon 9 minus 5 is 4. Now look at this, 14 and 6. We just find the factors of 14. 2 sevens are, 7 ones are. We find the factors of 6. 2 threes are, 3 ones are. Now in this you find 2 is common. 2 is the common factor. So we can take 14 and 6. 2 is the common factor into bracket. If I divide 14 by 2, I get 7 minus 6 I divide by 2, I get 3 and that is root 5. 6 root 5 divided by 2 is 3 root 5 upon 4. Now, we can reduce this to the lowest term because 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So we can write 7 minus 3 root 5 upon 2. This is our final answer. So an irrational denominator is converted into a rational denominator by rationalization. Thank you.